Let's learn D.I.Y.A. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn D.I.Y.A. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do right and left diagonal step touches. So we're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right. You're going to step your left foot forward into the left diagonal, touch your right next to your left. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side, and as we step to the right, you're going to do a counterclockwise hip roll. So we're going to step to the right and roll our hip around from left to right, and then we're going to put our weight onto our left foot, and as we do that, we're going to roll our hips clockwise around from right to left. So let's try that with some counts, doing your diagonal touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do back steps with slight touches forward. So we're going to step back with our right foot. You're going to touch your left toe forward with a bent knee. You're going to step your left foot back and touch your right toe forward with a bent knee. You're going to step your right foot back, touch your left toe forward with a bent knee. Step back with your left and touch your right next to your left. Now the styling on that section is up to you. You can just go back touch if you would like. I like to add some body rolls in, or I like to kind of like shake it back as I go. You can kind of add extra styling into that section, whatever makes you happy. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. We just finished our 2 hip rolls, so we're doing our back touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and then we're going to weave, crossing our right behind our left. Step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left. We're now going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and you're going to weave, crossing your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and then cross your left over your right, but slightly forward. So let's try that with some counts. Rocking to the right, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a V step. So we're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal, step your left foot forward into the left diagonal, step your right foot back center, step your left next to your right. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to bounce your heels. We're going to end up making an 1/8 of a turn on each bounce. So we're kind of leaning into this right foot. You're going to lift both heels up, making an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder to face the 10:30 diagonal. You're going to repeat that, lift both heels up, make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder to face 9 o'clock. At this point, your weight is kind of split between both feet. What we're going to do is put our weight onto our left foot and do a flick back with your right, ready to start all over again with your step touches. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just crossed our left over our right. You're going to do that V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when you do these bounces, you don't want to come up on the balls of your feet. You want to bend your knees with these bounces. So you want to think step, bend your knees, and lift your heels for bounce, bounce. So you want most of the turning to be happening in your lower legs. You don't want to come up on the balls of your feet and rise your body up off the ground. And that is the end of the dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts, starting with your diagonal step touch. So it's step, touch, hip roll, back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch together, side rock, recover, weave, side rock, recover, weave, V step, out, in, step, bounce, bounce, flick. Ready to start all over again. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your diagonal touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, the dance is going to end on a 6 o'clock facing wall. And now you would be doing your bounces, but they would put you facing 3 o'clock. So we would like to end facing 12 o'clock for our big finish. So what you're going to do is change it from eighth bounces to quarter bounces. So we're gonna step forward with our right foot, and instead of doing 2 little bounces that are gonna make a quarter turn in total, we're gonna lift both heels up. We're gonna make a quarter turn over our left shoulder bouncing up, and then you're gonna make a quarter turn over your left shoulder bouncing up. You'll be facing 12 o'clock. You're gonna flick your right foot back, and then I just kind of like to step to the side to end the dance so that I'm not balancing on one foot, and I kind of do a little bit of a sassy ending. And that is how you can end the dance facing 12 o'clock. If you happen to forget, that's okay too, but if you like to end facing 12 o'clock with a big finish, that is how you will end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your diagonal step touch. So it's step, touch, hip roll, back touch forward, back touch forward, back touch forward, back touch together. Side rock, recover, behind side cross, side rock, recover, behind side cross. V-step out, out, in, step, eighth bounce, flick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step, touch, hip roll, back touch forward, back touch forward, back touch forward, back touch together, side rock, recover, weave, side rock, recover, weave, V-step, out, in, step, eighth bounce, flick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn D.I.Y.A. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Girl, I just died in your arms tonight. Didn't even try to escape. I just died in your arms tonight. I knew I should have walked away. Are you walking around with no halo? Run from the devil, still wants the streets. You're the only angel I pray for.